Hi, Dustin over here at Stigner Attachments. Today I'm going to be showing you our lock grapple open side, the ROP series. This bucket's going to come in 7 different sizes, 60 inch all the way up to 88 inch. It's going to have a 48 inch grapple opening. The distance between the tines are going to be 2 and 7/8. It comes standard with the universal skid steer mount. If you got other options such as Euro or anything else, just let us know. We can usually get you set up. Comes with factory installed half-inch flat face couplers. Now, 4 important things. I want to keep this video short, but I want to get to the point. 4 things that we feel really sets our product apart is number 1, we use entirely grade 50 steel on the entire attachment. That is unbelievably strong steel. It's meant for construction use. Number 2, we use a half-inch serrated cuttage. That cuttage is excellent for soil conditioning, digging in the ground goes easily, grading in the yard, it works amazing. Number 3, greasable pin points on the grapples. This is actually a newly added feature we've added to all of our products recently. We feel it's very important. It's a 1-inch cold roll pin. The grapples are still removable. It's just a really nice update. And the 4th thing is our support tube. You're going to see our support tube, 2 7/8 inch round pipe we use on the grapple in the front. This ties in with the cylinder mount, the top and the front 1/4 inch plate. You may notice a lot of people, they use a 1-piece bent piece of steel. We feel this is stronger and better for a bunch of reasons. It's a little more work, but it's a lot stronger product. So I'm sure I'm missing a couple things, but if you have any questions, just give us a call over here at the office. Number is 507-273-7497. Our hours are Monday to Thursday, 8 to 5, Friday